Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax from Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm really excited to show you a brand new 2024 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage that we just received. This boat is in the platinum painted hull with chrome graphics, silver stripe. Beautiful boat, serious offshore fishing machine, but also a great cruising platform for the family as well. Upgraded white rub rail with stainless steel insert. I've also got the matching platinum gel coat on the underside of the hardtop. Twin V12 600 horsepower Mercury Verados with joystick. And now we'll make our way inside the boat. We're going to start off here in the cockpit on this 380 Outrage with this huge bench seat, triple wide, can easily seat 3 adults very comfortably with a nice tall backrest. When you want to fish this area, it stows away really nice and clean. No exposed hardware, big, solid, heavy-duty equipment that you'd expect from Whaler. Have a reboarding ladder, which you can put in place here on this big, heavy-duty swing-in dive door on the port side. Also conveniently located if you're going to drag that big fish in on these large fish boxes here right beneath me. Systems access, always really impressive with Boston Whaler. Everything is really well laid out, easy to get to, easy to keep clean. Generator on board, stowage for the cockpit table. Boat does have Seakeeper. On the aft portion of the leaning post, we've got our prep station, freshwater sink, beautiful countertop, solid surface countertop with Kenyon electric grill. We've got storage on the underside, place for a paper towel roll, and then storage for tackle and all the gear that you might want to keep conveniently stowed back here. We have tow rails on both sides, including a very large tow rail on the starboard side with a really nice teak accent and a high gloss finish. JL audio sound system throughout the boat. Another jump seat here as well. You kind of create opposing seating here in the cockpit if you're going to do cocktail hour after a long day of fishing, or if you just want to go to the sandbar. Rocket launcher style rod holders off the back. We do have the extended sure shade off the back of the hardtop as well. Freshwater sprayer just opposite a fridge on the port side of the leaning post. 3 seats across at the helm with a couple of footrests for the port side observer, and then you have a drop-down platform with SeaDeck material for your driver and your starboard side observer. This center seat is powered. It's got an electric actuator right here, so you can bring it fore and aft. Really comfortable boat to drive, whether you're seated or you're in a more of a standing position. Again, with those gorgeous high gloss teak accents. We've got the gray upholstery option here. Big steering wheels on a tilt base, joystick, digital throttle and shift, skyhook, and autopilot features are tied into the joystick as well. Trim tabs with LED indicators, huge Simrad screen, air conditioning at the helm in addition to down below at the cabin, rocker style toggle switches at the dash. We've also got a powered ventilation hatch in the windshield. Seakeeper display, Simrad VHF, and glove box style storage up top. Recessed area for phones, wallets, keys, and charging ports for your devices as well. Step down into the cabin. Really comfortable cabin on this 380. Beautiful teak flooring with the Filler cushion in place. You can convert this into a berth. Also have a nice little serving area here. Rod storage along the port side. Got a nice sink on the starboard side with cabinetry down below. Cabinet style storage on the port side. Good overhead lighting with hull side portholes as well. Got a nice head with a pull-out shower wand. Nice teak floor and a teak bench seat that comes down. Really well appointed head area. Making our way further forward to the bow. Huge bow seating area. I'm not going to find a boat that's more comfortable than this on the 380. Cup holders that retract and stow away. You have armrests on both sides. Huge chase lounge. Even for a boat of this size, definitely oversized. So plenty comfortable. Tons of deep storage here. Got multiple canvas items throughout the boat. Keep things nice and protected out of the weather. I've also got a bow shade kit that has a manual setup. Dedicated storage for your buckets as well, 5-gallon buckets. The loungers in the bow have backrests that come up and down. Cushions can easily remove. You want to get them out of the way if you're doing any fishing. You got a filler cushion here that's on top of a teak table. So you can either drop this table down all the way to the floor, or you can have it flush with the seating here, which would give you a solid bow filler cushion, or you can remove this cushion and have a nice synthetic teak finish on top of the cocktail table up here. Large locker on a gas assist strut for your anchor windlass, with remote control wash down up here as well. And that is a look at this Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston. If you have any interest in this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.